Hello, boys. How are you? Good evening. Open your book, page number 36. Today, our topic check your progress. Okay, we finish this unit and now check your progress. Now, this all things I make a sheet and I solve all these things on the sheet. Now, we go directly on the sheet and discuss that sheet. Now, first of all, this one here different kinds of shape you can see he changed the shape of material. Then he asked the question, how has the balloon in Carlos hand changed the shape? How this balloon changed the shape? Okay, number one, the balloon has been bent and twist. Bent and twist, two methods he do and change the shape of the balloon. Number two, Carlo has dropped the plates. What has happened to the shape of some plates? They are some plates are broken down into small pieces. They are many shapes. Okay, this piece another shape, this another shape, this another shape, different shape, not one shape. Okay, some plates broken more and some plates broken less. Number three, Carlo has crashed his car. What has happened to the shape of the car? Look, some parts bent, some part twist, some parts squash. Okay, different parts change in different ways, not one only. You can see here, here tire burst, that squash and bent, and some light broken and change another shape. Okay, here change the shape. Again, I revise the material change in four ways. Number one, bend, twist, squash, stretch. Okay. Then here there are three kinds of plane. Number one, very thin elastic. Number two, thin elastic. Number three, thick elastic. When he fly the plane, this plane move 2 meters, and this plane move 4 meters, and this plane move 6 meters. Now he asks you a question about this: which elastic made the plane fly furthest? Yani which plane cover the more distance? That is this one, because this is 6. It is thick elastic. Okay. Then another one is which elastic made the plane fly the shortest distance? That is this one, very thin elastic. And next he say, what would happen if you know use string instead of elastic? String is not elastic, so it would not work. The plane will not fly, it will not move. Then he say, what would happen if we give a heat to the chocolate? Okay, chocolate is a solid form, and when we give a heat to the chocolate, then what would happen? The chocolate will melt and change into liquid, like butter. When we give heat to the butter, it will melt and change into liquid. What would happen with the ice? When we give it heat, it will melt and change into liquid. Now the opposite, when we put water in the freezer, that is cool place, then what will happen with the water? It will change into ice, and ice is solid. When we put cooking oil in the freezer, what would happen? It will change into solid form. Okay, warm liquid chocolate we put in the freezer, it will change into solid chocolate. Okay, boys. Next, the last question. He say, He added 2 spoon in cup A, 4 spoon in cup B, and 7 spoon in cup C. Okay, if he stir this with sand instead of sugar, what would happen? First of all, the question, he asked only one question. The answer is this: sand would not dissolve in the water because sand not dissolve. Sugar and salt dissolve, but sand not dissolve. When we stir a sugar, sand, it will settle down at the bottom of the container instead of dissolve. Okay, but why we add here more less sugar and here more and here more? Because we add the sugar according to the capacity of the container. Here less liquid, here more liquid, and here more and more liquid. So we add more and more sugar, and we add sugar because it is dissolved. We can't dissolve or stir a sand because it will not dissolve in the liquid. Okay, boys, this is our topic today. You must be revised. I will send you this sheet and you write everything on your book. Then we will revise. Okay, boys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.